Hi guys, this is Jessica D on the road and welcome to my channel.
Alright guys, so for today's video in the kitchen again, gagawa po tayo or magluluto tayo ng lemon garlic fried chicken. Ang favorite. Okay, ito yung mga paraan ko guys para malaman kung mainit na ang mantika. Ayan, bumubula na siya. Kaya ready na tayong magprito ng manok. So, pag naglagay ka ng chicken, dahan-dahan lang sa mantika. Huwag yung bibitawan agad, tatalsik talaga yan. So, just put it slowly sa pan. Ayan, para hindi tumalsik yung mantika. And, we've marinated this chicken with cayenne pepper and also black pepper, garlic powder, ano pa ba? Salt. And also, pinigaan natin siya ng lemon. Tapos, meron pa siyang konti lang naman na chili powder. Yan. Okay. So, cooking time for fried chicken is 8 to 10 minutes. Depende yan sa size at sa part ng chicken. So, sa akin, after 4 minutes, babalik na rin siya. And then, after 2 minutes, double check lang. Tapos, pagka okay naman, pwede nang i-ahon or i-dry. And, eventually, during those 8 to 10 minutes, huwag kayo mahiya mag-poke or tusukin yung chicken para masigurado na yung heat ng oil is pumasok dun sa loob. I think this is the half time. Ayan. Balik na rin natin. Tapos tusukin yung chicken. You can use knife or fork. Either what you have in the kitchen. Pero pareho naman. Lahat naman naman tayo. Okay. So, after 4 minutes and ready na siya. I mean, luto na pati yung loob. Wala nang dugo lumalabas or medyo liquid na lumalabas. Pwede na natin siyang i-ahon. Ayan. So, make sure to drain the oil bago ilagay sa plate. Or you can use kasi hindi gumagamit talaga ng pwede naman na strainer. Pwede naman din. Or sa plate with tissue, whatsoever. Okay. So, we're done with this. Now, we do the plating. Alright. So, ito na ang chicken. And, we also have side dishes. So, pwedeng veggies or kasi wala na kaming mashed potato. Kaya mixed vegetables na lang. Okay. Now, we were going to add the lemon sa gilid lang naman. Parang ang laki ng plate, no? Kaya managdagan nga ng chicken to. Alam mo guys, hindi pa kasi luto yung kanin namin. Kaya hindi ko malagay sa plato. Kaya doblehin ko na lang yung manok. Pag Pinoy standards naman, pwedeng atsara yung side dish. Papatagal umay. And also, let us not forget, nalagyan natin siya ng garlic. Kasi nga lemon garlic to. Lagyan natin siya ng roasted garlic sa ibabaw. Pang kontra, high blood. Yahoo! Okay guys, so this is our finished product. Lemon garlic fried chicken. Thank you for joining me today. And we are ready to eat.
Thanks for watching guys. Jessica D on the road and we are signing out.